In 2020, the Central Bank of the Bahamas was the first central bank in the world to launch its own digital currency, sand dollar. Now, the bank, which is headed by Governor John Rolle, is preparing for truer digital banking, seeking an entity to construct sleeker, faster digital infrastructure.
Put out on the weekend a request for proposal so that we can see what suitable technology providers out there exist that can provide that, help us build and deliver that technology. It would mean that you would have instant or real-time settlement of payments, whether it's at the cash register or peer-to-peer. Presently, the experience is instant if you have a digital wallet that operates within the connection to the sand dollar ecosystem. But if you're making transfers through the banking system, where you're using the ACH to complete those transfers, there could be a delay, even though, on average, those payments tend to reach their destinations the same day.
It's about keeping pace with the technology moving at breakneck speed. The Bahamas offered, Mr. Rolle, must not be left behind.
So needs to continue to modernize its payment system to stay even with the rest of the world. And when we think about the speed of payments, you have to be mindful that in the commercial space, businesses should expect to be impacted by how payment terms change in terms of their international counterparties and the way they make payments. Fast payments also position the Bahamas such that as the international move is also towards instant payments across borders. That would only be achieved for the Bahamas, is when funds reach the Bahamas, they can also complete the journey instantly.
And as the economy remains so heavily dependent on tourism, the Bahamas should brace for buoyancy.
And we have to be mindful that if you are a tourist economy, the average visitor is already largely making payments digitally. And having the emphasis on those sorts of improvements is really to put that emphasis as well in terms of making certain that anyone who is providing goods and services to the visitor sector, they're also equipped to receive payments digitally and in real time if that's what's going on.
Deandrea Hamilton reporting.